So this is a very impromptu video. I am getting ready to go work out, and I've been really struggling with having motivation the past couple of days. And so I thought that I'd just do a short video on what I do when I'm struggling to find motivation. While fitness has been a huge part of my life, motivation isn't something you just develop and then have. Just like you, my motivation ebbs and flows, and sometimes I'm really into it and sometimes I'm really not. There are a lot of things that I could talk about, ways to boost your motivation, but I am only going to speak of 3 main ones that I personally turn to, things that really truly help me rev up my motivation engine when it's just not there. That was so cheesy. That really helped me get motivated to work out. So firstly, I always determine what sort of workout I'm going to do based on my current level of energy. You know, I don't want to set myself up for failure by saying,
oh, I don't really feel like working out today, but I'm gonna go do this ballsy ass workout.
You know, I already set myself up for failure. So I just kind of gauge where my energy is at, what I feel that I'm gonna be capable of doing. So that leads me to my my second point, I guess this would be my second point, is to write down my workout. No matter what, I always write out my workout. I actually have this little index card holder that's divided into categories: upper body, lower body, cardio, core, mobility, and then I write down all of my workouts on note cards here. I always enter my workout with a plan. I think that's very important, no matter what, to go in with a plan, whether you're going to the gym or you're doing a home workout, rather than relying on memory or just winging it. Always going in with a plan. I remember when I first started working out, I was just kind of going in and playing around with different moves, different machines, different pieces of equipment. But once I started writing out my workout and going on this note card, that's really when I feel that my fitness leveled up, because that's when I started going off of a plan. That's been really key for me. That's a great way to stay motivated. I always have my workout written down. Once I have my plan there, I take it movement by movement. When I'm not really feeling motivated to work out, I say,
let's just go, let's get dressed, let's just go and take it exercise by exercise.
So I'll warm up for 10-15 minutes, and then I'll start with the first exercise, and I'll tell myself, I'll do this exercise, I'll do the sets, I'll do the reps, and if I'm still not feeling it, I'll go home. That's it, and that'll be it. But usually it ends up being that I'll do that first exercise, and I'll be like,
okay, that's not so bad, let's go for the next one.
You know, if I'm still not feeling it after this next one, I'll go home. And I'll keep doing that exercise by exercise, taking it set by set, and usually I end up finishing the workout. And that's what gets me through, knowing that I don't have to finish this workout if I'm not feeling it. The last trick that I use, and I apply this trick to a lot of aspects in my life, not just working out, and that's simply asking myself, who do I want to be? Who am I? That opens up a whole world within my mind, and just the big picture of who I want to be and how I want my life to be. But when it comes to working out, who do I want to be? I just have this image in my head of just this strong, independent woman that sticks to her word and is capable of being a badass anytime she calls upon her badassness. And when I'm thinking of this, of course, I'm thinking of all the aesthetic goals that I want, the big, strong cap shoulders and the nice glutes and the glute ham tie-in and the abs, you know, all that comes to mind. You know, I'm not gonna lie, that of course, that's a huge part of it. But at the end of the day, I have to take the aesthetics out of it. Results take a long time, and they're not always going to stay constant throughout your entire fitness journey. You know, looking back over my time of, you know, being into fitness and working out, there's been times where I've been fitter and times where I've been, I don't want to say less fit. There's just been cycles where my body looks different depending on, you know, what's going on with my life at that time and what type of workouts I'm into, what kind of things I'm doing, where my goals are at. Your body isn't always going to look the same, and that's okay. That's perfectly normal. Again, fitness is about and should be about, and you need to remind yourself that it's about so much more than how your body looks. It's about how your body feels. Like today, I can't go to the gym and feel motivated by getting abs. I need to feel motivated by knowing how I'm gonna feel when I'm done with the workout. When I'm not feeling motivated to work out, a lot of times it's because I'm tired, I'm overworked. A lot of times it's because I haven't had time to focus on myself. I've been exerting my energy in a lot of other aspects in my life, which is normal, that's a part of life. But again, it's coming back to keeping that word to myself. Who do I want to be? I want to be someone who takes care of myself and keeps my word to myself and to everyone in my life. So to conclude, my 3 ways to get motivated is 1, always go in with a written plan. That is so important. That way you've got something to work off of. You don't have to think, you just go in and do. 2, take it exercise by exercise, set by set, rep by rep even. And if at any point you decide, you know what, I'm really not feeling this, then be done. There's something within you that's telling you that this isn't for you today, and that's okay. And lastly, to ask yourself, who do you want to be? Who are you? And sit and ponder that for a little while. Maybe that's something that you won't have the answer to. I mean, I don't even have the clear, concrete answer to. And sometimes this, who do I want to be, changes day by day, workout by workout, but it's that kind of, it brings you back to center and kind of brings you back to your why. And I think coming back to that is very important to reigniting your motivation for fitness or any other venture in life. So that is going to conclude this video. Again, like I said, it was very impromptu, but I wanted to share because motivation isn't constant for anyone, no matter where you're at in your fitness journey. And if my tips and tricks can help someone else, that's all that I would want. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what tips and tricks you turn to when you're not feeling motivated to work out. I want to thank you so much for joining me for this quick little video. I hope that you hit that subscribe button so you can come back next time. And until next time, I hope you have the most wonderful day.